Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Crosstrek, and today I'm going to show you to use your heated seats. So you'll need your vehicle on for them to work, and then here you can toggle between your high, your low, or your off, and the same for the passenger side, high, low, off. And then way to test if this is working is first you want to make sure that's lit up, and then next you have it on high and you just sit in it for a few minutes and your butt should start getting warm. If it's not after a while, you might have some issue that needs repaired. First I would check fuses, things like that. Maybe you have a burnt fuse that's making the system inoperable. If that doesn't work, maybe you might need to get behind this plastic, make sure all the connections are connected properly for this, and see if there's anything that needs repaired or replaced. And then in a worst case, maybe there's something loose under the seat itself that needs reconnected, or there's a bunch of stuff spilled on the seat that may be shorted out. Something in the heating mechanism, and in that case you might have to replace the heating mechanism or the seat. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.